Chief Minister M.K Stalin on Thursday intensified his protest against the centre's proposed delimitation exercise by burning a copy of the bill and hoisting a black flag, formally launching a statewide agitation across Tamil Nadu. Wearing black attire, Stalin raised the black flag against the Constitution 131st Amendment Bill 2026, which proposes a delimitation exercise to alter the size and composition of state legislative assemblies and the Lok Sabha. He also burned a copy of what he described as a black law, escalating tensions over the proposal. In a post on X, Stalin called for statewide resistance and urged people to hoist black flags at their homes. Drawing parallels with past anti-Hindi agitations, he said earlier movements from Tamil Nadu had forced Delhi to reconsider its decisions and claimed a similar struggle would challenge the current proposal. He further alleged that the bill would turn Tamils into refugees in their own land, stating that the agitation is aimed at protecting federalism and state rights. The protest comes amid growing opposition to the delimitation plan, which is linked to a population-based revision of constituencies using the 2011 census. The issue has further intensified after the centre approved draft amendments to operationalize the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. Opposition parties have also raised concerns over the timing of the special parliament session during the election period. As part of the agitation, black flags were also displayed at the residence of Anbil Mahesh Poyyamuli in Tiruchirappalli. Earlier, Anbil Mahesh Poyyamuli alleged that the centre plans to increase Lok Sabha seats to 850, saying it would weaken state rights. He noted that states like Uttar Pradesh could see a significant rise in representation and said opposition parties had not been consulted or shown the draft report. He argued that federalism must be discussed collectively and accused the centre of turning the issue into confrontation instead of consultation. He also questioned the timing of the move, stating that political parties are currently engaged in election activities in West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, suggesting the exercise may be politically motivated. Under the proposal, the centre plans to increase Lok Sabha strength from 543 to 850 seats, including 515 for states and 35 for union territories. It also plans to implement women's reservation before the 2029 general election by amending the 2023 Act and delinking delimitation from the 2027 census through a constitutional amendment. The centre has convened a special sitting of Parliament from April 16th to 18th to consider key legislative business related to these changes. Meanwhile, protests were also reported in Chennai. Actor turned politician Kamal Haasan also hoisted black flag at Makkal Needhi Mayam office in protest against the bill. Former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Panneerselvam also burnt a copy of the delimitation proposal and wore black attire to express his opposition. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said the delimitation bill 2026 is unjust and undermines federalism. He urged the centre to drop the proposal and implement women's reservation without linking it to delimitation or the census.